Hi guys, this is your Punjabi chef Pratik and today I'm gonna take you to a South Indian food trip. Today I'm taking your taste bud to Andhra Pradesh and gonna make Andhra style chicken curries. So let the flavorful and spicy journey begin. For Andhra chicken curry, first we'll marinate the chicken. I have taken 500 grams chicken. In that, first I'm gonna add teaspoon of salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now mix up the masala in the chicken. After massaging the chicken nicely, let it rest for at least 15 minutes. While the chicken is resting, let's take a pan. For the star ingredient Andhra style masala, I'll be using coriander seeds, poppy seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamom and few pieces of cloves. Now I'm going to dry roast them for at least 3 minutes. Make sure you roast the whole spices on low flame so that they don't get burned. My whole spices are done. I will let it cool down and grind it into a fine powder. Our star ingredient Andhra masala is ready. As you can see, for the curry, let's start chopping the onions. I'm using half kg chicken, so I'm going to chop 2 onions. For making the curry, first I'm going to add oil, add chilies, with that curry leaves. As the curry leaf starts crackling, now I'm going to put chopped onions and cook them till they get translucent. As the onion starts getting translucent, now I'm going to put ginger garlic paste. I'm going to cook till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. The rawness of ginger garlic paste is gone and the onion has become translucent. Now I'm going to take the marinated chicken and put it in the pan. Mix the chicken properly with the masala and cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. By the time the chicken is getting done, let's chop the tomatoes for the curry. There you go, 2 tomatoes are done. Let's go back to the chicken. After sauteing the chicken for 10 minutes, now I'm going to put the star ingredient, the Andhra masala, which we made earlier. Mix it nicely with the chicken. Also give few splashes of water so that the masala doesn't get burned. Cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After cooking the chicken with the Andhra masala, I'm going to put the tomatoes. Saute the tomato till they get mushy. As the tomatoes start getting jammy, now I'm going to add seasoning, salt and black pepper powder. Nicely mix the chicken. I'm going to add some water to the chicken. Mix it up. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes and the chicken curry will be ready. 10 minutes are up and our Andhra chicken curry is ready, as you can see. Now let's start plating. Garnish it with fresh coriander. Enjoy this Andhra chicken curry with steamed rice or fulkas and let me know how it turned out. This is Chef Pratik signing off. Take care and goodbye.